Anemometer, antimeter, anemometer, antimeter, anemometer. Good evening. It is May 9th, and we are obviously up here at the boat. One of the issues we had during Hurricane Nicole, we had water blowing in through the windows because the windows have some drainage channels in them. That's the little channel, and you can see there's another channel on the other side. Well, anyway, when the water was blowing this way against the side of the boat, the water was coming in and literally coming up and splashing on all the windows. We're going to create polycarbonate, clear polycarbonate UV rated panels, 1/4 inch. And we're going to put those over all of the windows that have those little gutters, so that will keep the windows from getting damaged, and it'll protect from blowing rain. We've measured these guys up here need like a 43 by 28 inch piece. The lower windows need a 43 by 23. Our two side windows need a 25 by 25, and then we got two small ones on the back of the boat. And the other thing we're going to work on is laying out the location for the solar panels on the roof. Later. Oh, there are the existing panels. These need to be cleaned. Gonna add 4 more like this, and this is the location they're gonna go. Gonna move our little weather sensor out of the way. Okay, I think that's pretty much where those are gonna get placed. They're almost identical to how we placed them over there. Okay, I think those are pretty good. After all that fun. There are 6 of the pads, so we'll be able to get 2 more panels in. So the extra solar wire is underneath there for this set of them. And what we're going to do is put blocks in there, all the places there's little black dots all the way across, about every foot. That'll give us a place to attach that wiring to. We just need to put some nice white loom or a piece of PVC and secure it. But right now we're just getting the blocks in place. Later. We got the wire blocks in, so now we can run the wire along there. I think we're done. It is May 10th, 2023, and we are going to be doing some more work up top. We are going to move some stuff to the top of the mast and also redo the wiring on the mast a little bit and put the drainage in on the side over here. That's the plan this evening. Later. Okay, decided to drop that. So there's a mask laying down. We'll get this put back together this weekend. Get it back up. And I think that is it for the evening. Good morning. It is May 13th, 2023. We've got a bunch of stuff to do outside, but I really don't want to do it in the heat of the day. So we're going to do a few items inside first and maybe come back up here later in the evening. Anyway, I'm going to try to fix that template. Okay, so there is the solar template that got broken. I think what I'm going to do to fix it is I'm going to put 2 Craig screw holes here because this piece isn't damaged. Unscrew that and then Craig screw this guy into there, and then the same thing over there. I think we'll be back in business with this template. That's the plan. Later. Okay, so we have this area up here which that has no trim ring and looks ugly. We bought this trim ring. Of course, it's not long enough. We put it up in there. So as you can see, you have this gap here all the way around. So to solve that, we're actually going to be using our templating material. Okay, well, let's go see how far off it is now. We took this plate off of our mast, and so we're gonna cut out a new plate out of our trim material. Looks like that should be big enough, maybe. And then I want to router all the edges. That's a couple of things we're gonna be doing later. It is almost 4 o'clock and we're getting on the roof. We brought the shade tent with us. We're gonna set it up, and then we're gonna hopefully run the radar, get a couple more NEMA things in, get our new top piece on, and then also start mounting the radar. Don't know if we'll get all that done this evening, but we'll try to get some of it done later. Okay, so we got our shade now, which is actually doing a really good job of shading everything but the front right there, which is fine. And we'll start hooking these things back together. I guess he's leaving. Having fun with his horn. Okay, well, we've started the radar wire there. It's going in, and now I'm going to run this tape and attempt to get inside the channel there. Slow, keep going. Okay, hang on. Okay.
Keep going?
Yeah. Okay, real slow now. I'm at the end. I just needed to come to clear the hole. Okay, hang on. Gotta get my hand twisted around here. Ah, I lost it. Okay, can you push it forward slowly? Okay, I got it now. Okay, where's the end? It's a wonderful mess of cabling. Tangled up beneath the cable. Okay, you ready for the radar cable? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, what do we got here? Oh goodness, saran wrap crap, drives you nuts. Little cap, the unused NEMA line. Okay, so the NEMA stuff is wired. I think we're ready to work on putting the top piece on. My only concern is all we have are the 304 stainless steel. If we put the 304 up here at the very top of the mast, we're going to be looking up at a big rust spot. Okay, we got all the holes drilled out here. That guy is going there. The little Sirius antenna is going there. Here's the wind piece. Flip it over. It's going to end up there. And then the light bar, I'm just going to stick it on here upside down. It's going to end up right there. Here's the Sirius actual antenna. So that's everything on top of our mast right now. Got a spot for one more thing right there. Once you get back some screws, we'll attach all that stuff. See if we can't get it all mounted and wired back in. I'm gonna go work on radar now, I think, since I can't do any more on this till I have screws. Later. Yeah, I forgot I need to do wire holes. Okay, so now we got those holes. The other thing I realized is I'd forgotten about the weather system. I built this guy up. Put him up just a little bit higher. Still waiting for Jeannie to come home. So I have turned my attention to the bottom of this guy. I'm going to get that plate put onto him. There's a big honking bolts. Find the anti-seize stuff too. Well, they gave us US. Great. So, and I wanted to get it out of the wind flow of the other stuff, so I'm raising it up. Okay, so we head up top to try to assemble most of these pieces. Okay, we got our lights. We got our navigation lights. So these are deck lights, fore and aft. We got Sirius or XM radio. We got a weather sensor. We got GPS, which may be broken out because I dropped it a moment ago. And we got the antennometer, which will come up. We are done. It is May 14th, 2023. I was able to get that stuck fastener out. Of course, now I need a new hidden fastener that's going to have to get mounted in there, which is going to be really interesting. Maybe I can stick it in and pour epoxy around it. I don't know. We're going to play around with that tomorrow. I'm working on the base right now. I got the end piece in, got that cap on, and now I'm getting ready to put that on top. Here all my bolts are, and make sure I put this stuff on them. Do not want them seizing up Then once I get this guy mounted, I'll drill out my holes. This guy. Anti-seize on there. That seems to be going okay. First couple levels of threads. Look at their casting release. So there's that. Ultra Tef Gel. What's it say? The corrosion eliminator and anti-seize lubricant. Apply and assemble. It eliminates pitting, galling. That's what happened. I think that one galled on me. And corrosion. Use that. Seems to work really well. That looks good. Okay, so I'd say that piece is ready. I'm going to drill this out now. Okay, let's jump up 15/64. The holes look pretty good. It's horrible. I can feel this thing just having a terrible time getting in there. That one seemed to have gone in okay. Okay. I can't do much more now. That was fun. Let me go see if I can find a local blind fastener. It might work. I have some on order, but I'm worried the head's not going to be big enough on them. I think I'm done. Okay, off to 8. Before I leave, let me check the bug collection. I left this guy on last night. Ooh, we got quite a few last night. Wonder how it's doing on power. Let's see. Ooh. Go ahead and put it on charge. Later. So here's what we ended up with. A fairly large T-nut, so I'm going to try it. It will certainly go in there. Of course, somebody in the future is going to hate me, probably myself. I'm sure this uses a different Allen. Come on. Man, it takes one even bigger than that. Great. I have no tool to put this guy in. Well, at least no tool up here. Put that in just to protect it a little bit more. In theory. Okay, so we got this place. We got the front, which is that way. Let me stick that guy in. There it is on its little stand. Okay. I have no clue what those are. Right there. Okay. That's coming out 37. Where am I? We may come back up here tonight. We'd come up here to start cutting on that and doing final fitting. The stack of this entire thing is about 19 inches. So with that, the mast is going to have tapered back quite a bit. That's going to take two of us, one of us holding a straight edge or building some sort of jig to see exactly where it's rotating. Of course, now I'm getting worried that I'm getting so close to the upper part of the mast that I'll start affecting the antennas and stuff like that. Maybe relocating some of those antennas, making my mast even higher to get them away from the radar. Oh, so much fun. Anyway, that is about it for today. I'm going to head out. Later.